It takes both of us to get them ready, to get them dressed, brush their teeth, brush their hair, to get them off to go to school or whatever the activity might be. It starts between 6 and 6:30. You'll probably see it. They push a little button as a kind of a call to get me up.
They'll get up. Each one of us will take one or the other to get them out of bed into their chairs, and then, then breakfast will ensue and meds will ensue. And
it's the same thing at night. We say AHOD, which means all hands on deck. So when someone says that, if the other person's in the other room, we all come together and do our nighttime routine.
I think we lean on each other a lot. We make sure we find time to get away together to talk about the stuff. And
one thing we've gotten really good at is recognizing when we are at odds with each other and we need to take a break. It's really important, especially with this type of disease, that we're all in this together.